Hello everyone, my name is Leon. So this time I'm going to show you how to use some basic functions of the ClassIn application. Today, just the software I'm showing to you is a desktop version. Of course, you can use the same functions on the mobile version, but here you can all you can see is the desktop version. So here you will see a toolbar on the left hand side, and all the class are shown as groups, like a chat group of your of the software, just like the instant messenger that you use on your cell phone. So click each one, you will go to different class. For example, like this one. So here is the place that you can actually assign homework to your students. Very important. So go to the tab here, task, and then you can assign task from scratch. Or if you have a task which is saved as a template, you can choose from here. So now we don't have any template stored, so we're going to select this one. So first, we need to assign the title, title like Leon homework. You can give them the maybe you can give them name for whom, or you can specify what subject is that, such as can be ESL class homework, and very important, you need to specify the time the student needs to complete the homework or any task. The task can be homework, can be review or preview, can be some project. Yeah, so you can type it here like term project, or you can study materials. So anything, as long as you want to share with your student, make sure you give them some time. So the default time is exactly 1 week from now. So today is April 2nd, so it will be April 9, which is 1 week later. And then you can choose your students. You can choose, for now it's all students in a group are actually selected, but you can select one of them if you want, but usually you will select everyone, right? All the students, and then click confirm. And then because this is study material, you probably don't want to read it, just no reading. But if it's a homework, or if it's a assignment or project, you probably want to use rating. For example, like 100 mark or 10 mark, yeah, something like that. And here it says public task. If you tick this box, this assignment, this task will be opening for public task. And after the deadline, students can see other students' task. That means they can see each other's work. And here you can write down some instructions. Make sure the instructions are straightforward and easy to understand. Easy to understand, okay? Very, very, very important, because a lot of students, they don't probably read English very well. And also their parents cannot read English very well. So please make sure that you use very simple words for English learners. But if the students you already know they can read English perfectly, then just use advanced words. That's also okay. And here you can insert some pictures, voice. Like here you can insert pictures from your computer. You can insert 9 files for each of them. So also you can record some voice. For example, right now I'm recording the voice. once I feel it's quite enough, I can click here and click save. Then the next one will be the attachment of this assignment. And then I can also select files from my cloud disk. So it will directly link to my cloud disk, and then I can select file from there. So done. Yeah, so this is another file, right? And also I can select file from local files. It can be pictures, but it can be also other files. Like it can be a manual, right? A PPT file. And this is also a link that I can put. You can put any link like to YouTube, and for the link is youtube.com, right? Confirm. So this one is the link for YouTube. But everything is done. And here you can save this to library. Save this to library. So that will make this as a template. I strongly recommend you to use that, because next time you don't have to start from scratch. You can directly just make some modification to save your time. So right now I'm going to save it, right? And then I completed all the signing, and I will click confirm to sign. So that will be ongoing for the 2 students. None of them has submitted, and the deadline is April 9th, and it's unreviewed. So once it's done, you will see the completed version here. Okay, and then you can click in and try to mark it or review it. That's very straightforward and very easy to use. Okay, so assigned homework is very, very important for students to practice, to also find if they are doing a good job or not, how much they have learned from your class. So please pay attention to that. The homework doesn't have to be doing questions. It can be any form. It can be record a video, record an audio. It can be draw a picture. It can be take some picture of the flowers. Anything that relates to your purpose of teaching. So be creative, and also if the students not submit any homework, not doing any homework, don't get panic. Still assign new homework to them, because this is your job. But you can let us know that the student is not doing their job. So in this case, we will jump in and ask the parents if they know how to show the students about homework, about the study materials, or if there is any technical issues. So in this way, we will make this interaction smoothly, and also to save time for all parties. Okay, so thank you for listening to this video, and if you have any question, you can talk to Ifan team. You can ask me, you can ask Judy or Lucy, and we will be happy to assist you. Okay, thank you. Talk to you soon.